this is my scientific robot, Newton.
Hello, friends.
In the previous video, we talked about the basics of electricity. We used batteries as the power source, but what if you don't have batteries? Can you get electricity without them?
Yes, you can use fruits and vegetables as the source of electricity.
Great! Let's do experiments to get electricity from different fruits and vegetables and see the difference. Which fruit should we start from, Newton?
Let's use lemons for an experiment first.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's take 4 lemons, 4 pieces of copper wire, 4 zinc screws, 5 short electrical wires with clips at each end, a lead. Make sure you squeeze each lemon first.
Got enough power to light the lead. What makes a lemon produce electricity?
The electric current that lights your lead is actually caused by countless tiny particles called electrons moving around the circuit. As zinc dissolves in lemon juice, the electrons are released. When they reach a copper screw, they take part in another chemical reaction, allowing electrons to continue flowing around the circuit.
Wow! How much power can you get from one lemon?
Let's measure the voltage.
Newton, if lemon juice is the major part of lemon that helps make electricity, can we use bottled juice to create electricity?
Sure, let's try it.
It produces 0.9 volts. It's comparable to a lemon. Can we try to get energy from other fruit and vegetables?
Of course, we can. Let's take a grapefruit, orange, tomato, potato, and apple, and measure results with voltmeter.
some energy from both fruit and vegetables.
In case if there is no electricity, we can light a small lamp or use this power for something else.
Thank you, Newton. It was fun.
You are welcome.
In the next video, we will talk about meteorites. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Subscribe.